up for a dinner party tonight, and I can't wait to show them the new Lee Joffe collection. I'm setting the table with this beautiful French aftwear that I had commissioned in France. It just complements this boutique floral fabric that we used from the collection to upholster my Louis XVI dining chairs based on this amazing vintage pattern that Lee Joffe had. Love to entertain, and I'm so excited to show my friends this beautiful new collection. I just redecorated this entire room in my Lee Joffe collection, and I could not be happier. This is my little dressing area where I like to get ready and where I'm gonna get ready for the party tonight. This is where I put my makeup on, my jewelry. I'll often be sitting here and I'll have a child sitting on the bed talking to me as I'm getting ready for my guests to come for the evening. So I think that's all I have to show you in here. I need to get you out of here so I can get ready for the party. Out you go.